I mean, it's barely shooting light, and he comes right in. You know, all these years that we've got to hunt together, we've been real fortunate to harvest quite a few birds over those years. But you know, the older I get, the more I realize it's just not about killing a bird. It's about that time we get to share together, because you never know when your last year together is going to be. So I just savor and enjoy every moment that we get to spend in the woods together.
Pretty excited on this new spot. We're going to see how it works. It's another couple 100 acres. So
it looks good down in this valley.
It really looks good in this valley. So, and got a little creek over here. A lot of green grass in here. Really, really nice spot. Definitely with the wind blowing like it is. Hopefully they'll be down in here out of this wind. You said there's 2 toms? 2 toms. Yeah, we had 2 toms come up. Shot one. Thought a pretty good hit on him, but he walked off and he laid down over there. And finally, they tried to sneak out the back of the tent. He took off. So we're going to go over here and see if there's any blood, and just go from there. But we're definitely going to look for him no matter what.
All right, man, 2 hours walking and we got him. I found him, man. First bird of the year. In the process of looking for him, we found 2 sheds. So, bonus, I think Ty deserves a big lunch. So, oh, pretty bird.
Once I got around that turn in the valley, it sounded like he was right there. 150, 200 yards. right there. Well, yeah, we got a long tracking job. I mean, pretty sure he came right through here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh. Mm. Dude, tell me those freaking kill zones don't. I mean, the blind's right there. Shoot, I thought he was an older bird than that.
He was an angry bird.
Yeah, oh, look at that. He's got a good hook. He must have busted that hook off. Dang, that's a good hook there. He is a good bird.
One of the things I love most about this season was just the challenge. I mean, it seemed to be a struggle throughout the year. I mean, we were pretty fortunate to get on a few birds, and my dad got one early, and then Wes ended up getting one a little later. But for myself in Missouri, it was a grind. I mean, we talk about it all the time, how we just keep going and going and going, and figure eventually the odds will tip in your favor, but sometimes they don't. Sometimes you go the whole season and you don't get one, but that's what's going to drive me that much harder to go after them the next year.
There's a river tumbling down the mountainside. I can feel the north wind blow through the trees and over to the other side. Carry me down to the valley below, and I'm on the road, bound for home, back to what I know.
That's what I spy.
Back to right.
Look at that one. That's a good one. Man, we might have to come down here and hunt after all. Look at this, Dad. Look at that. All right. You remembered it. Do what?
Having fun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good time.
My ragged clothes
Yeah.
left frayed and torn.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
Solitude and silence under snow.
Why can't everybody in the world be that nice?
She's really nice, big smile. Look at her.
It's a victory burger.
Mmm.